Okay, so X here represents the symbol of any element. The large number will be your mass number, represented by A at the top there. So your mass number is the number of protons and the number of neutrons in the nucleus of your atom. Z there is the atomic number. Okay, this is otherwise known as the proton number. The proton number, or the atomic number, is the number of protons in your atom. Okay, here's an example of carbon-12, 6 protons, same number of electrons, 6. Now the number of neutrons can be worked out by looking at the mass number, which is 12. So we know that the mass number minus the atomic number, so in this case 12 minus 6 will give us 6. That's why there's 6 neutrons in carbon-12. Carbon-13 is a different story. This time the mass number 13. So 13 minus 6 will give us the number of neutrons. That'll be 7 neutrons this time. Still 6 protons and also 6 electrons, same as the number of protons. Okay, let's fill in this table. So we have, to begin with, as a symbol, He, helium, 4,2. So that's the version of helium we're talking about. The atomic number is the small number, so that's 2. The mass number is the large number, so that's 4. Protons is equal to the atomic number, so that's 2. In an atom, the number of electrons, negatively charged particles, is the same as the number of protons, the positively charged particles, so that's 2 as well. The number of neutrons can be worked out by minusing the mass number minus the atomic number, so that's going to be 4 minus 2 gives you 2, so 2 neutrons. So it happens to be the same as the number of protons, but not always the case. Here it is. Right, next one, fluorine, 19,9. So atomic number is a small number, that's 9. Mass number is the large number, it's 19. The atomic number is the same as the number of protons, that's 9. Electrons is the same as the number of protons, it's also 9. And to work out the number of neutrons, it's 19. Mass number minus 9, the atomic number, that gives us 10. Okay, for the last one here. Now we don't know what the element is. We do know the mass number is 31. And the number of neutrons we know as well is 16. So remember that the mass number, the mass of your atom, is made up of only the neutrons and the protons. So I know how many neutrons I have. So I know that I need to add the number of protons to the number of neutrons to make 31. So in other words, 31 is my mass number. 31 will be equal to 16 plus however many protons I have. Okay, so you can look at that to kind of figure it out. So in other words, 31 minus 16. So if I minus mass number minus my number of neutrons will give me the number of protons. So in this case it's 15 protons, okay, because 15 plus 16 will give me my 31. So I know I've got 15 protons now. In an atom, the number of protons is the same as my number of electrons, so that's also going to be 15. And my atomic number is going to be the same as my number of protons, that's 15. So when I draw the symbol, 15 is my atomic number, that's the small number, usually at the bottom. And on the top, the large number, the mass number, will be 31, as already given to me. You can then check your periodic table. And what you're looking for is the atomic number of 15. Which element has an atomic number of 15? That's phosphorus, so it has a big P for your symbol. Okay, remember, the atomic number is unique to your element. Okay, so that's the one you're interested in when you want to identify what the element is.